Welcome to Project Design, the competition where we redefine custom Roman shades. I'm your host, Michael Scores. Today, two successful window fashions dealers will compete, shade to shade, in the Custom Redefined Challenge. Please welcome our contestants. First we have Amanda Silk from Silk Designs. Her business specializes in soft window coverings made by a custom workroom. Then it's Rebecca Wise from Wise Window Solutions. She is a Hunter Douglas gallery dealer who also sells custom soft window treatments. Today's challenge is to quickly close the sale with a customer who says that she wants traditional custom Roman shades for her living room using gold fabric. She's a busy woman, taking care of her young family, and of course, has a budget in mind. You will be judged on the amount of time you prepare to meet with the customer, how long you actually meet with the customer, how much time it takes to close the sale, and how long it takes to deliver and install the final product. Make it beautiful, make it good quality with custom craftsmanship, make it quickly. It's that simple. Good luck. Your time starts now.
So I always begin with color. This customer wants gold, so here are all my gold books. Once I know the fabric she wants, we can start talking styles, because there are hundreds of available styles for my custom workroom. Then I can come back, calculate the repeats, the yardage, whether we'll need to seam the fabric. I'll follow up with a price quote, and we'll be on our way.
This is going to be so easy and quick, because I'm going to use Hunter Douglas Design Studio Roman shades. All I have to do is open this book, and the solution, no matter the fabric, color, or style, is right here. Plus, these gorgeous photos reassure my client, showing her just how beautiful custom can be. So my plan is to take this sample book and fabric books with me, and I'm all set. And I'll use Direct Connect to provide her with a quote right on the spot.
Two different designers with vastly different approaches. Let's see how they do. So Amanda, Rebecca, talk to me about how you approached this project design challenge.
Well, it just didn't turn out like I expected at all. Gold was not the right color for her or for her living room. So I came back the second time armed with color and fabric choices. She selected a fabric, but then had a hard time with the shade styles. Guess the line drawings weren't helpful. And then we talked about how there would be seams in her shade because her window was wider than the fabric she selected. So back I went to the office to calculate the fabric repeats and how much fabric I'd need to order. Then I checked fabric availability so I could put together the final price. I emailed her the quote and followed up with her a few days later. It turns out it was more than she wanted to spend, and asked if there were any lower priced fabric options she could consider. So we started the whole process over again. A week later, I finally got her to finalize her order. So I placed the fabric order and tried to get on the workroom schedule. The fabric arrived in 10 days. Then the workroom scheduled 3 weeks for completion. We installed the finished product and the customer loved it. All in all, it went pretty much like it always does for typical custom Romans.
Well, Amanda, you delivered a beautiful result that your customers loved, but it sounds like you took a lot of time. Rebecca, tell us how it went for you.
It went exactly as I expected, because I knew Design Studio was the perfect solution for this client. On my first and only visit, we quickly knew gold wasn't going to work. Fortunately, Design Studio has a full color range right at my fingertips. So we were able to choose a new color right then. Budget was also a factor, so we chose one of the great entry-level fabrics. And with the decorative trims right there in the sample book, we were able to personalize her shades to look even more custom. Even selecting the style was easy for her. With all the beautiful photography in the sample book, she was able to visualize what her shades would look like. Her wide shades didn't pose an issue for me because the Design Studio fabrics are all wide width, so I didn't need to explain anything about seams. And what really helped her decide was the new Ultra Glide system. Having small children, the enhanced child safety features put her at ease. And it was important for her to have something that couldn't be found at a workroom. So I pulled out my computer, entered the specifications in Direct Connect, and gave her the quote right on the spot. And when she found out that this product is guaranteed to be manufactured in 10 days, she was sold. The product arrived on time and we installed it the next day. She loved them. The whole process was a breeze.
Rebecca, you also delivered a beautiful product, but it took a lot less time. The amount of time you both spent on this project varies greatly. From the overall preparations to customer visits and fabric calculations, time is always a key factor. Amanda, your amount of time on this project was 12.5 hours. Rebecca, your total amount of time on this project was 1.25 hours. That's 10% of the time it took you, Amanda. Now, how about the time the customer waited? Amanda, your customer waited almost 7 weeks. Rebecca, your customer waited 3 weeks. That's less than half the time it took Amanda. Rebecca, congratulations, you are the winner. Your design studio solution met and exceeded the Custom Redefined challenge. I want to thank both of our contestants for participating in this challenge. And thanks to all of you in the audience for watching today. Be sure to tune in for the next episode of Project Design.